Good morning, everybody. At the outset, I would like to thanks to all the parents of this Vidyalaya who made the academic year 2019-20 a big successful one. Despite several hardships with the infrastructure facilities and with the shortcomings in the form of poor net connectivity, electricity, lack of teachers, you all helped our institution to come up to the expectations in the year 2019-20. Thank you one and all. And it is said parents are first teachers and teachers are second parents. So that way you have played a very great role as first teachers of your wards. Thank you very much. Now in this unexpected, unanticipated academic setback, rather a setback at the global level, there is a need for us to take care of ourselves. This microscopic creature has kept us indoors, but it has not kept all our desires under lockdown. Even in this lockdown period, we are doing our level best in all the fields, be it your profession or your caring for the children or your contact with the outside world. Thank you. Now I have a request for you all. Please do take care of the children's academic loss. Now my wish to the children, my dear children, many of you might not have anticipated this long lockdown. Earlier we thought the school would resume by 15th, but now we are kept indoors for another couple of weeks. But our desire for learning is not kept indoors. It has not been locked down. Rather, let us explore ways by which we can bring our hidden talents. Let there be no academic loss. Many of you may feel you are unable to come to school. So what? You are with your teachers. Stay connected to your teachers. Stay safe, stay at home, stay connected with your teachers through e-learning. All these days, your teachers, out of their sheer interest, they were keep conducting classes through YouTube. They use various platforms like YouTube, WhatsApp, Zoom, Google Classroom, whatnot. I felt very happy yesterday when your teachers, some of them had shown me your written assignments also. So I felt overwhelmed at the effort put in by your teachers and the reciprocation from your side. You all have answered, especially primary children, you are answering your teachers. So I have a record of it. Please keep doing it. Now this is the time that you can learn from your parents, especially your father. Personally speaking, I feel fathers are the friends, philosophers and guides, and especially for the adolescent children. So they will guide you. Don't think that fathers are simply putting on the responsibility on your mothers and teachers. They observe you very closely. Many of your fathers might not have spoken, but they know your areas of interest, your talents. So talk to your parents. Utilize this period in spending more time closer with your father and mother. They will guide you, especially your father. So tell them, talk to them. Find out what are the various career options that are available. So because of from their expertise, from their experience, they will share and they will show you the world. So do spend time. Secondly, talk to your mothers. What is time management? That can be better learned from your mothers. You see how your mother is sharing her 24 hours, how she is dividing for your specific needs, your specific needs, your father's needs, your grandparents' needs, ultimately how she constructs the home. So learn, share your love with your mother and ask some of your mothers who are well educated, அம்மாவோட உட்காந்து படிங்க, அம்மாட்ட கேளுங்க, அம்மா நான் என்ன பண்ணட்டும் எப்படி பண்ணட்டும்னு. So your mother will tell you better. And similarly, you help your parents. All the time, instead of grumbling, I feel bored, you help your mother, you help your father, learn something new. Try to learn a new language, especially your mother tongue. Some of you can speak your mother tongue, but you are unable to write. So ask your mother, your first teacher, to help you in learning your mother tongue, in writing. Improve your reading skill, writing skill, your drawing skill. You play indoors, play with your father, mother, your sisters. Okay? Nurture. Read the stories of e-learning. Go and find out, there are good number of books available in the internet. Take such books. Read the books. Read the biographies of leaders, scientists. See, Newton was not born all of a sudden. An apple falling down from the tree, it's a common phenomenon. Newton saw, his contemporaries saw. But how Newton became successful? His observation. So try to learn the stories. If not today, tomorrow they will help you. So children, develop this reading skill and writing skill. Why? Because in the year 2021, you are going to appear for PISA examination. And needless to tell, you take out all the PISA question papers. You see, just go through it. Try to improve, because language, vocabulary skill, mastery, and then how fast you grasp, you expedite the work, all these things would be assessed in the PISA. Read it. Whatever books that are coming across, that are in front of you, you take them and read. What is applicable, you take. What is not required, throw out. Your drawing skill. Okay, Raju sir showed me the drawings. I was so overwhelmed. Even it was appreciated by our officers. So my dear children, keep doing everything. Okay, spend your time, leisure time, constructively. All right. Then thirdly, I have spoken about your father and mother. Third important member is your teacher. Okay, your teacher, the God manifests in the form of father, mother, and teachers. So whatever your teachers say, you are by being in touch with your teachers. Some of them call you by WhatsApp. So earlier I've been telling in the parents meeting, I requested parents to keep you away from net. Now you take it, use it for constructive purpose. Science is for construction, not for destruction. So you use the net connectivity and learn through e-learning. Your teachers have given you various platforms. I have told you some. Now Swayamprabha, government has brought this Swayamprabha in the DTH. So the NIOS has specific academic learning through DTH. It is available in Swayamprabha portal by NIOS, is available in Videocon, in Airtel, etc. Just find out. Mornings, you just see Pudigai channel or national channel. So you have got a 8th standard agriculture lesson, you can learn. So my dear children, explore all these, keep all these avenues, keep in touch with your teachers. You will definitely excel. And आखिरी में मैं थोड़ी से ये बच्चे से बात करना चाहती हूँ. कोई बच्चे, सभी लोग, आप लोग अच्छा एग्जामिनेशन लिखे हैं, अच्छा रिजल्ट दिया है, लेकिन कोई लोग के लिए ये टेस्ट होने वाले हैं. They will also get through in that. This year I am sure I will get 100% result in 9th and 11th. So my children, you talk to your teachers where you need to take retest, keep in touch with them and get all your doubts clarified. And when you come back to our Vidyalaya, you will have to write the examination, you will get through. So you will come back as a new individual. I should see the new blood flowing in your veins, academic thirst. So this lockdown period should be used effectively so that you will always succeed in your endeavors. Stay home, stay safe, succeed in e-learning. God bless you all. Thank you.